This is a new version of our chainsaw trauma kit. What we have here is a MOLLE attachment with the increased availability of gear that accepts MOLLE, especially in wildland firefighting. We've received a lot of requests to offer that. So if you're familiar with MOLLE, you'll know how to work. If you're not, and you want to use this without a MOLLE gear, you can just adjust how much room you want to attach it to your belt by using these horizontal straps and then snapping it in. Everything else about the kit remains the same, set up for one-handed operation with the D-ring, one pull, freeze the tourniquet, and the rest of the kit with pressure bandage, quick clot or gauze, CPR face shield, nitrile gloves, and a whistle. Something like this on the gear just shows you how you can attach it. You can put your belt loop in between to prevent it from sliding back and forth, or again, attach it to your MOLLE gear.